Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies. In this video, we will be talking about Midjourney version 5. In my previous videos, I have covered how and what of Midjourney version 4. I will be posting that link in the video description below, so please have a look at that if you don't know what Midjourney version 4 or how to use it. But in this video, I'll be talking about Midjourney version 5, which has taken internet by the storm. There have been major improvement from version 4 to version 5, and I will be covering those here in details. Let's check out the first difference. I am on Midjourney homepage, and let's first change our version to version 5. Here you have to type /settings. This will show you the version you are on, and there are other settings also that you can change. The one that I am interested in is this version 4. So if you are on version 4, please click on this version 5 to make sure that you are on the version 5 of Midjourney. So the first difference in the images created by version 4 and version 5 is the quality. The quality of pics in Midjourney 5 is more realistic and more photographic like. So let me try it. So let me add a prompt. A landscape photo of sunset over the ocean with palm trees in the foreground. Let me see what Midjourney V5 is creating. So if you see, this is what is being generated by Midjourney V5. You can see the image. I'll open it in a browser. It's so photographic and the quality is so good. Now I will show you how V4 is showing it. I typed the same prompt in V4 and this is what I came up with. If you see, this is more artificial and more painting like, but the V5 version was more photographic. The next difference that I want to talk to you about is the portrait of real characters. In Midjourney 5, the portraits are more realistic and lifelike. Let's check this out. This is what I typed. Medium full shot of an elderly Indian woman with deep wrinkles and warm smile and eyeglasses sitting in a cafe with plant in the background and looking at the window. Let us see what Midjourney version 5 is showing. This is what version 5 created. In the images you can see it's more lifelike. There's a lot more work in the texture of the skin. You can see the wrinkles on the hands as well as on the forehead. There has been some freckles also. So that is making this more lifelike. If I see the same image in version 4, this is what version 4 has created. If you see, the images kind of seem a little bit grainy. The skin also does not seem very natural. You can feel that it's a painting on it or it has been scaled up. The other difference in version 5 is like all of these images are automatically scaled. Like if I click on this one, scaled quickly because it's automatically scaled. The third difference that I want to talk about is more on the wordings. In version 5, Midjourney wants you to be more descriptive. That is, instead of writing random words and separating it with comma like 4K, cinematic, realistic, Midjourney version 5 want it to be more descriptive. And it should be, you can use adjectives like before, behind, etc. And it should be like how you write proper sentences. Like suppose I want to create a logo for my channel, Learn with Techies. So this is what I'm typing. A flat vector logo of laptop, minimal graphic, blue, purple, orange gradient by Sagi Haviv. This is what I used to type on version 4. But in version 5, I need it to be like complete sentences. So I will be writing something like this. A cinematic flat vector logo of a laptop with blue, purple, orange gradient by Sagi Haviv. So this is what it has created. In version 5, it has to be more like sentences. The next one that I want to talk about is like an elephant in the room. Yeah, I'm going to talk about hand and toes. So Midjourney has been really weird about hand and toes. You have seen the previous version 4 images, weathered hand holding a globe. This is what it gives me. If you see, the hands are a little bit alien-like, the nails are not right and the hand are twisted kind of, but in version 5 it has major improvement. So let's see what version 5 creates with the same title. I'm typing the same thing. So this is what it has created. If you see in this image, it's more real like and the hands are also looking pretty natural. The next one that I want to cover is in the tile keywords. The best use of this is in creating background images. This is the -/ tile version that I have added. Let's check this out. So this is what it has created. I'll want to upscale the fourth one. So this is the image. Let me go ahead and save it. So I went ahead and selected that images as my tile. And if you can see that all of the images perfectly aligned, you can't find the boundary of the image. If you see my system preference, I have used it as a tile. So what do you think? Can this tool replace designers? Do post your comment in the section below and do explain your reason. Why do you think so? There are some other major improvements also in Midjourney that I really want to cover, but I think the video will be too long for that. So I will be covering those in the next video. That's it for today. Do like and subscribe my channel and do comments in the video section which other features you think are awesome in Midjourney version 5 and that I should cover. Thanks, and we'll see you again in next video of What's New in Tech.